Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create or design a magazine cover in Canva. Magazine cover is a very important skill, but it is very low competition gig, means low competition skill, so you can easily take your place in this skill. So let's go to fiverr.com. If you do not know about fiverr.com, then I will tell you fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platform where you can sell your services and earn money online. So I am going to fiverr.com. Fiverr.com, here I search magazine cover. So it shows me there are 849 services available, means 849 freelancers are giving this service. So it start, as you can see, there are 116 order completed, 305 reviews, 12 reviews, 86 reviews, 138 reviews, 414 reviews, means almost every freelancer have at least some orders. So this is a good gig. So let's analyze this one gig, level 2 seller gig. So that's here. In basic package, she uh, charge $5 and one front magazine cover plus high quality plus pin ready with 300 dpi. In standard package she charged $15, and in premium package she charged $25, and she completed 86 reviews. Orders are almost uh, half than reviews, half more than reviews. So that's, so you can easily analyze this gig and make your gig according to it. So I think that's it for the Fiverr part. If you want to analyze more gigs, you can also analyze on the first page, but surely do not copy the 100% text of the gig. You can just take idea and make your gig according to it. So that's it for the Fiverr part. So let's get to go to canva.com and let's see how we can design magazine cover in Canva. So I am here in Canva. Here I write in the search bar magazine cover. The size of magazine cover is 21 multiplied by 29.7 centimeters. So I click on this. It is loading. Just wait for some seconds. So here are different templates, but I click on create a blank magazine. It is loading, bear with me. Yes, so it is loaded. Now I want to create a fashion magazine, so I click on fashion and it provides me different templates. I just have to customize this template, and I can easily sell this service to our clients on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So I am choosing a good, you know, yeah, that's good. Mm, I think this one is more beautiful. So I delete the upper one, and that's good. First of all, I would like to change the image of the model. Then I write here model dark. Yeah, it's look good. I customize this in fashion. Here I want to change the name of the author, and 2023 to 2024, and I think it's look good. So that's it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.